Today is the day you learn how to make chicken tandoori, and you'll notice that it is super easy. If you're new here, I'm Scovia, and every week I show you how to make simple homemade recipes that turn out absolutely amazing. So let's get cooking. I'm using 3 pieces of chicken quarters. As you can see, we have legs and thighs. So if you wish, you can also divide, but mine I'm going to make it whole. So I'll be using half a cup of plain yogurt. So don't use the flavored yogurt like strawberry and vanilla. Don't. So here. So in a large bowl, you'll combine all your ingredients. Add your spices. 2 teaspoons of garam masala. 1 teaspoon cumin. To make the chicken more vibrant, I'm going to use paprika and turmeric. 1 teaspoon paprika. So I have 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon turmeric. Half a teaspoon of salt. 5 cloves of garlic and 1 thumb size ginger. You crush them. Squeeze half a lemon. Take a spatula and mix the ingredients to combine. Take a chicken and slice 2-inch deep cuts, as so. This will help the chicken to be more flavorful, as so. Put this aside and take your other bowl. Then now I'm going to drop the pieces of chicken quarters inside. Use your hands to coat the chicken with the spices. Make sure to coat your chicken both sides. Cover this and let it marinate for at least 1 hour, or you can marinate overnight. So this is now ready to go in the fridge. After 1 hour, my chicken is ready to cook. So you move over to the stove top and place a pan on medium low. Don't make it high, low. So we're going to add cooking oil, and then we're going to add our chicken. Add cooking oil. About 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So I'm going to drop my chicken. Listen to that sizzling. Cover this and let it cook for at least 20 minutes on each side, or you can check in between if it's ready. After 20 minutes, flip. Wow, look at our chicken. To avoid the chicken getting dry, spread butter on the chicken. This will make the chicken even more juicier. So we are going to flip the other side. And we are also going to spread butter on the chicken. So you make sure that your butter is melted, not solid. My chicken is ready and I love the aroma in this room. And I also love how juicy my chicken is. Wow. So now I'm going to plate my chicken. And I can't wait to dig in. Look at that. This chicken is marinated in a blend of spices and fried to perfection. My chicken turned out really good and juicy, and I hope you try out this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down below so that you'll be notified each time I upload my videos. So be blessed.